Do you want to be unstoppable in life? These 10 rules will help you grow strong, inside and out. Let's begin. 1. Believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think. Say this: I can do it. 2. Wake up early. Start your day before others. You will feel proud and focused. 3. Learn every day. Read books, listen to English, learn something new daily. 4. Don't give up. Fall down, get back up, keep trying. Winners never quit. 5. Stay focused, no distractions. Turn off your phone. Do one thing at a time. 6. Eat healthy. Your body is your engine. Fuel it with good food. 7. Exercise. Strong body, strong mind. Move every day. 8. Be kind. Help others. A kind heart is powerful. 9. Speak English daily. Practice makes perfect. Use English with friends or online. 10. Never stop dreaming. Your dream is your fire. Keep it burning. Follow these 10 rules and you will be unstoppable. Keep learning English and keep moving forward. Practice English daily. You're doing great. Like and subscribe for more lessons.